What's up, YouTube? Next video is the Wayne County farm tour that my daughter Lauren convinced me to go to. So I went ahead and we went as a family on my son's, my baby boy's birthday. So we did that, and I can honestly say there was no sweet finds to be found. However, it was a good time, and yeah, Sweet Finds doesn't always do the same thing. It's not all about I go to auctions or online auctions or, you know, Dollar General penny shopping. I am all about a bargain. So if I can get a bargain, I don't care if it's at Walmart, a garage sale, a flea market. I don't care where the bargain's at. I'm going to take that bargain, and that's a sweet find. Like today, for instance, I couldn't find anything at the DG I went to, probably because the manager keeps the aisles packed with his rolltainer carts. He doesn't want anyone to get down the toy aisles or the clearance aisle, anything like that. So anyhow, I went to another store here in town, and I found this cool hat. Look at this. It's from Stranger Things. It's pretty cool, and I know my daughter Lauren likes Stranger Things, and I was gonna give it to her, but it's cold out, and I put it on my head. And check this out. I paid only $1 for this hat. Like, that's a sweet find. It's mine now, though, because I think I look pretty good in green. It goes with my green eyes. So anyhow, enjoy our little family outing on the Wayne County farm tour. Yeehaw. Peace. So we're going on an adventure right now. Huh? I'm scared.
You are?
Got me out in the country here.
Yeah. I'm loving it.
We're moving.
I'm trying to take a picture of them inside.
This is Sweet Finds on the Wayne County Farm Tour. And let's see what sweet finds we find today.
Sweet Finds says I have to do. No, she likes stuff like that.
Really? She likes it.
That's Lauren videoing the view. Told you, Wizard of Oz, he lost his hat.
Oh, he turned around.
Go back.
The Wizard of Oz. We're moving. I keep falling off my seat.
Miss, I ain't getting on no hayride.
And we have arrived. I need help up though, because we're at an angle. And we did
Be
it.
careful. We'll exit here. Hayden, I'm going to unload here.
We're unloading here. I'll be back. That's I can't even say what I want to